Hi guys, hi girls, we are in a new video from Newlacecu about our tutorial about basis of air system. Today we are with the king of all men air system, the Lace French air system or French air system. This system is very good, all handmade, single knots in front, perfect bleaching in front, so to have an undetectable front. The sizes are 24 cm to 20 cm. This system has a air length of 15 cm. The airs can be Indian or European airs. The only difference is the cost. How I said this is the king of air system because this system has a lot of advantages. It assures an undetectable front, a long duration, a wonderful transpiration. So a lot of clients ask it. You can cut it in your sizes, or if you want we can cut it in your sizes. The immediate shipment from our factory to your house, it takes approx a week. We can see all other news of all others our air system in our web Newlacecu. We send directly from factory to your house. If you are a hairdresser or if you have a wig center, we can assure you important discount. We are one of the most innovative factory in China. We stay in Qingdao. We are happy if you will come to visit us so to let you see all our production. Our stock production are in a lot of bases and this one, as I said, is one of the most important. We have it in all colors, also with gray hairs. I hope you liked this video. I remember you, we have also an Instagram channel and a Facebook channel. We see you next video. Bye bye.